28 elements and the set B has 32 elements. We have to find how many elements does A intersection B has. So that is we have to find the number of elements the set in the set A intersection B consists. So for this type of problems, so we have one formula. So that is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is very important formula. N of A union B means number of elements in the set A union B, that is equal to n of A, number of elements in the set A, plus n of B, that is number of elements in the set B, minus n of A intersection B, number of elements in the set A intersection B. Number of elements means, for example, if the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then n of A, that is number of elements in the set is 4. Or if B is equal to a set that is A comma B comma C, n of B, that is number of elements in the set. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So n of B is 3. Like this. Okay. So we have to find number of elements. How many elements does A intersection B have? Right? So first write down the given data. So this is the formula. Then write down the given data, that is A union B has 50 elements. That is n of A union B is equal to what? 50. Okay. A has 28 elements. So that means n of A, number of elements in the set A is 28. So similarly B has 32 elements means n of B is equal to what? 32. So we have to find n of A intersection B. So we have to find this one. Okay. First write down all the values they given. N of A union B, right? So write down the formula. So n of A union B is equal to what? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right? This is the formula. So they give n of A union B. What is n of A union B? 50. That is equal to n of A is 28 plus n of B is 32 minus we have to find n of A intersection B. So write this as it is n of A intersection B. Okay. So write 50 as it is. So add these two numbers. 28 plus 32 is what? So 10, 4, 6, 60 minus n of A intersection B. So we want n of A intersection B, right? Number of elements in the set A intersection B. So shift this term to here. So here we have minus n of A intersection B. When it comes to this side, it becomes plus n of A intersection B. Okay. And send this 50 to here. Here we have plus 50. When this 50 goes to this side, it becomes minus 50. So it becomes, when it comes to here, it becomes n of A intersection B is equal to, write 60 as it is. So here we have plus 650. So when it comes to here, it becomes minus 50. So therefore n of A intersection B is equal to what? 10 minus 50, that is 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10. So therefore the elements does, how many elements does A intersection B have means, so the number of elements that the set A intersection B consists is 10. Understand? This is the formula. First write down the data they given in the question and then substitute the values they given, then find the unknown. Understand? So this is practical oriented problems. So the next problem. So write down the problem. Question: If x and y, so there is no rule. So set A ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, B ನೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, n of A union B ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So means that 250 can speak what? Hindi. So the next one 200 people can speak English. Okay, full stop. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English, and how many people can speak both Hindi and English? Both means we have to find intersection, right? Because intersection means that is the set consists both the elements. A aliರೋ elements consist ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, B aliರೋ elements consist ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Like that, both means we have to find the intersection. Okay, so I write group of 400 people means totally we have 400 people, so it becomes n of, so I consider the people who speak Hindi, so that is n of h ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. number of elements of people can speak Hindi, that is 250, or you can take n of a only. So all, and also the people can speak English, I take it as E. E means people can speak English. So number of elements people can speak English, n of E is equal to 200, and n of H union E. So total Hindi and also as well as English, total number of people is equal to what? 400. So we have to find n of H intersection E, right? Because we have to find the number of people can speak both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English means we have to find intersection. So write down the formula. So for this type of problem, the formula becomes n of H union E is equal to n of H plus n of y minus n of x intersection y, right? So first substitute the values. N of x union y is 60, that is equal to n of x is 40 plus n of y, we don't know the value, so write as it is, minus n of x intersection y is 10. So 60 is equal to, so here we have 40 minus 10, that is equal to what? 30 plus n of y. So here shift this 30 to here, because if you shift n of y to this side, here we have plus, when this term come to here, it becomes minus n of y. So therefore I keep n of y here only, I shift this 30 to here, so it becomes 60. When here we have plus 30, when this comes to here, minus 30, that is equal to n of y. So n of y becomes what? 60 minus 30 is 30. So the number of elements does y have is 30. Understand? So I think all of you understand. The continuation